What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I will be doing another 3-star level walkthrough of Cut the Rope. Today we are doing Foil Box level number 9. Hopping into level number 9 here, it's going to go kind of quickly there. You are moving the sliders around so the bubble goes to the top, gets caught by that top one. Then you will allow it to latch on to that second bottom one, and then cut the top rope so that you could get that final star. Moving that top slider over, you got that second star. Now you move the top one over again and the bottom one over again, and then you can cut the top rope. It'll latch onto the bottom one, cut the second one. It's a little hard to ignore the slider. Then that gets you that third star, and then you just slide it over the candy into Omnom's mouth, securing that 3-star rating, completing the level. That is all there is to it. If you needed help on any other level, I will link a playlist down below with a walkthrough for every single Cut the Rope level. If you did find this helpful today though, be sure to like the video and subscribe